What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I go over the ups and downs in business. I run a successful sticker business and decal business, and I just started this company, Coastal Cowboys. So if you are interested in any of those, you want to go check them out, I will have links in the description. We are going to be doing customer orders today, and then we'll be done because I have to work on some tax issues. If you haven't seen those videos, just go back in my videos. I'll put it right here. You can go on my playlist so you can find those. I'm having some tax issues from 2021. And so me and my mom are gonna go over some tax stuff. So we're gonna get this video out as fast as possible, which means it's gonna be a shorter video. So I hope you guys enjoy. At the very end of this video, we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. If you guys are interested in decals, you want custom made decals or stickers, whatever, let me know. I have a link down below also if you want a Coastal Cowboy hat and support. If you watched my last video, somebody bought and it was really cool. They were talking about how they got complimented all the time. So if you guys like this hat, let me know. The link is down below. We are finished with the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, it had to be a quicker video. I have to go to my parents' house. So I will now go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with Shopify, we made $51.99 on Quality Prints USA. We made $62.46 on eBay. We made $313.98 on Amazon. So a total revenue of $428. Not bad. We've been having decent days. We are getting into the fall season. So we're at $4,131 this month on the 7th. So in 7 days, not bad, guys. So if you guys are interested in watching me hit $30,000 a month, please subscribe down below. Also, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and you have any questions, comment down below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.